Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the pound dollar. So what I have here is pound dollar on the daily, and I really just want to focus on this area. Right, price is really trading sideways within a range, and you can see that after price made a drop, right, price has been trading sideways, making the same lows, generally making the same highs as well. Okay, so what we can expect price to do is for price to actually push up, right, to make the same high. Okay, and because of the lack of market structure, right, this sideways is actually pretty nice. We can actually go down to the lower time frame and look for intraday trade setups. Even if you look at the completed move using Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, we can see that there still is some limited push up towards the 7860 resistance, at least, right, the 7860 retracement, which could also possibly act as a resistance level. Let's quickly go down to the 1 hour. So on a 1 hour, right, we can actually see that on a 1 hour price is in a short-term uptrend, making higher lows and generally making higher highs. So we can expect price to come down, make a higher low first before pushing up to make a higher high, and we could also end up at the 7860 on the daily. However, just to be safe, and this is an intraday trade, right, we can play our take profit at the last swing high. Right, so our take profit very quickly is at the last swing high. Let's connect all these higher lows with an ascending trend line support. Touch as many candles as possible. Be careful not to cut the candle bodies, and we can use a small Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, and you can see that price could very well come down to test the 61.8 retracement level in line with the graphical overlap support. So this can very well be our buy entry. This level here is also in line with the ascending trend line support. Last but not least, right, we need to have a strong stop loss level. Now the stop loss is the level which we know for sure we are wrong. Okay, so I'm going to put the stop loss slightly below the 7860. Right, this is going to be the stop loss for intraday trade. Now why do I choose this level as the stop loss? Very simply is really because of the fact that the moment price actually breaks below the trend line and takes us out of the stop loss, price would have formed lower highs and lower lows, showing a change in intraday market structure. Alright, so this will be our trade for the day, the trade for the day setup. And last but not least, we can also include moving average, and we see that price is holding nicely above moving average. In an uptrend, every time price comes down to the moving average, it bounces. Right, touches the moving average, it bounces. So if price comes back down here, we can expect it to touch the moving average and bounce once more. So thanks everyone for your time today, for today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. It's a new week. Trade safe, stay safe. I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.